I'm just directly plunging into our journey of 2020. Okay. So 2020 January, we started with actually nothing. There's only the thought that happiness and success uh, academy has to be there. That thought was there. Apart from that, the logo was not there. We didn't know, the brochure was not there. Okay, so what all courses, everything took into structures. So then we start, till the point lockdown was announced, I was doing only face-to-face programs. Immediately when lockdown was announced, it was completely like, total block. So if I had to wait till the lockdown is getting out, then I would be still sitting doing nothing the whole year. So immediately I started thinking on digital, how to move digital. The gap, Happiness and Success Academy has this vision and mission. It has to reach to people. When your vision and mission is clear, that will drive your life. When you have the why, the purpose very clear, that you need to contribute to people, you need to do this at any cost, then that will show you the light. And that realization is something which I got, because I was literally not ready to face camera. I was literally not very comfortable recording my voice and doing training, but it all happened. It all happened because of that one thought, that I want to contribute to all of you, to all the people, whatever I know. Okay, that is the only thought I had. All right. So we started with doing WhatsApp courses. I need to thank Superb Humans, Dr. Sachin, who had also partnered, and we really partnered together. We started doing a lot of WhatsApp courses. So we did programs in WhatsApp. Then it really got hit, very good results. A lot of people started learning. Then we slowly started the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel was started only during the lockdown period. Okay. And then we also did Zoom webinars. We started Zoom webinars slowly. And now it's grown to the fact that today the surprise element is there for you. Today we are launching our e-commerce website, which is ready, where we are going to launch all our courses in our website. You can go and purchase and do it at your own time, your own cost. Okay, anytime, any comfortable time, and everyone in the world can access it. So this is a very big journey, I would say, from WhatsApp courses. See, HAS Academy started just as a small unit in Pondicherry, covering only some people in Pondi. Now today it's grown to the fact, from, then it went to little bit of cities. YouTube is again a big platform. Zoom is another big platform. Now the website is another big platform. So from Pondicherry, it is traveling to the whole world. Can you see, imagine the transition in 2020. This is something which is really, amazing. And I need to thank the lockdown period for that, because that has actually helped us completely work on all the gaps that was existing, and helped us to cater to lots and lots of people, more than what we could even imagine. Okay, so how many of you are really excited seeing and hearing till now? Type excited in the chat. Okay, type excited in the chat. Beautiful, beautiful. So Nitin is excited. Nice, nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this is actually what I really wanted to, start with, because if you think that you can actually change, you will be able to change for sure. And if you think that I need to wait, or I need to sit and wait, then you will be waiting for sure. Okay, so this is the real example that I wanted to show you. In 1 year, we have built all these things. All these things were not existing, even 0.1% before this. It is all built just in 1 year. Okay, so that is the thing. And the key achievements I just wanted to share. So excited to share. Just a minute. I'm just clearing this. Okay, thank you. Thank you for reminding me for the annotate. Okay, so the key achievements that I wanted to share is this. Just a minute, I'll just finish doing this. Thank you so much for reminding me about the anecdotes. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is a key achievement that I wanted to share. First thing, I'm starting from this moment. Today we are going to launch our website. uh, it's like a dream come true for me, because I've been seeing lots and lots of people who have their names as websites. Okay, and it's like a dream come true for me to have www.drpurni.com as my website. So this is something which happened this year, and I'm so happy to share with all of you as my family members. And so the launching is going to happen along with all of you only today. Okay, that is a surprise element that I had for all of you. And second thing is, among the 50 trainers in India, okay, who had got certified from US Federation of NLP, I am happy to say you that I'm one among them, and the first in Pondicherry to be certified by US Federation of NLP for conducting NLP basic practitioner programs and for certifying them on NLP. So this is also a big milestone, a dream come true that is going to happen. And the third thing is, like, we have currently uploaded nearly 150 plus videos in our YouTube channel with nearly 700 subscribers already present. So again, all this only in the lockdown period. And we have covered nearly 5,500 plus people through online trainings all over India. And there are also a couple of international participants who attended our trainings. And more importantly, we have launched a series of courses: Ignite Your Life, Happiness and Success Life Mastery, Success with Communication, Sales Boosting Bootcamp, Employee Development Program, Employability Skills Program, and Career Guidance Program, Soulful Parenting, and Faculty Development Program. So many programs had been launched only during this lockdown period. Okay. And most importantly, we actually covered 1,000 people in WhatsApp during the pandemic situation by giving them free topics on happiness and success every week. So we did it in 5 WhatsApp groups to help them cope up with the pandemic situation and train their mindset for happiness and success. So this was done as a 12-week series, and the same has been also, this is actually was done for 1,000 audience, and it was an amazing journey, to be really frank. There are a lot of you, a couple of them also joined today into our family program. So thank you so much for that also. So these are some of the milestones, and we also did lots of career guidance programs. Actually, the career guidance program has been viewed in our YouTube channel by 6,000 plus people. So 6,000 plus people have viewed that career guidance program, and they have started thinking and widening their mindset about career and how they can go about it in this pandemic situation. So these are some of the key achievements I wanted to share with you. And this is our channel analytics, where we have 17,000 views and 327 hours of watching had happened, and nearly 700 subscribers are there.